Witness the cosmic brilliance of the CCS-class cruiser, adorned in its majestic purple armor. Every inch of this masterpiece reflects the skilled hand of Omar's light and magic, from the custom paint job to the brilliant hand-wired micro LEDs from Evan Designs.
Enjoy this video.